Harlech is a town and seaside resort in Gwynedd within the historical boundaries of Merionethshire, North West Wales, lying on Tremonth Bay and within the Snowdonia National Park. It has a population of roughly 1,500 people, of whom speak 59% Welsh. The town has been within the authority of Gwynedd since 1974, before it was the county of Merionethshire. The town is best known for Harlech Castle, begun in 1283 by Edward I of England, and later the stronghold of Henry Tudor. The castle was originally built next to the sea, but geological processes have changed the shape of the coastline, and the castle now lies on a cliff face about half a mile inland. The town has since developed with housing estates on the Flatlow town area and hillside properties in the Harlech town around the shopping street, church and castle. The two areas are linked by a steep and winding road called Twitil. Twitil leads to the caravan parks, local corner shop and the Harlech indoor swimming pool and sports centre. So keeping fit is your thing, and then that's not a problem. A few miles away from there is the Harlech beach. Located on the high street there are several cafes, shops, hotels, public houses and a local post office. Harlech has its own railway station, served by the Cambrian line. These two lines from the station are linked to Pwllheli and Birmingham New Street train stations. Harlech High School is the county secondary school for children between the ages of 11 and 16. The town is also home of Wales' only long-term adult residential college, Coleg Harlech, also known as the College of Second Chance. Theatre Harlech is located on the Coleg Harlech campus and stages a varied selection of plays, music and films throughout the year. Other attractions in Harlech include its beach, backed with sand dunes, and the famous Royal St David's Golf Club. The Rhinogs range of mountains lies to the east. If you require any information on Harlech, please visit harlech.com. Thank you.